Okay, so we have a DAC assistant and we have a servo motor drive and we're using a joystick which has two pots on it, and by having these guys connected to the servo motor drive we can control uh, the motion of it up and down just by moving the joystick. Now what we want to do is create these joystick in a digital form. We are using LabVIEW. Here I just created one virtual knob that is going to be working as the joystick. So I'm going to disconnect the pot, and then I'm going to create the voltage and signals through the DAC assistant, and I just need to connect the inputs. Right. So now we disconnect the signal of the joystick and we're going to run the program. By running the program, I can move my servo just changing the knob that I have on LabVIEW. So this way, we just replace the joystick with a digital knob. We are setting up 2.5 volts to be the center of the servo motor's movement. Now, we also have another way to control the servo motors. This time, we want to use the joystick again, but we want to bypass the servo motor drive. So what we're going to do is connect the joystick again and to the DAC assistant. And we still have the pots connected here because we want to provide some voltage, and it was easier to have it like that. But now this DAC assistant, this block is acquiring the voltage that change through the joystick, and it sends the voltage change to this DAC assistant, and these ones generate a signal that will control the servo motors. So pretty much we are bypassing the driver with this program. This is how it works. So we're moving the joystick. And we are bypassing the driver. Now, the third program is a for loop. So we're creating an automated sequence of movement up and down, but we also have a virtual knob, so we can control how much we want the servo motors to move, how much we want to move to the left and to the right. So 2.5 will be center. If we move it to 5, we're going to be making the servo motors move all the way up and all the way down. So I disconnect the joystick, and now I'm going to run this program, and it's going to run through a loop, so it's going to be doing it over and over. So now I'm going to change the knob to the max all the way. So now it's moving all the way up, all the way down, all the way to the right, all the way to the left. And this concludes our control system program. Thank you.